Hey everybody, how are you? It's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. Happy Monday. I hope you're doing well. I'm finishing up my Christmas shopping actually. I'm really like 99% there, So anyway, and I probably bought, I see these bags and all this zhush for all the gifts every year, and I buy too much of it and then it carries over the next year. But one thing that I do, and a little hint, if you still send out Christmas cards, buy them after Christmas when they go on sale. I don't see them like I used to, but I do get cards here and there, and so I like to return the favor and write a little note. The cards that drive me nuts are the ones that I haven't heard from people in a while, and they just put, Greg, Merry Christmas. That's it. I like to write a little note and personalize it, so that's just my own personal thing. So, anyway. I just want to start off real quick. I'm so sad to learn of the killing of Rob Reiner and his wife last night in Los Angeles. He was such a great actor and especially director of some really major movies. You may remember one of my favorites was Stand By Me, and I'm very sad to learn that, and the violence and the hatred in the world, and the shootings that have gone on in our country the last several days, but just in general. I don't know when all this madness is going to stop. I think people are just angry and fed up and been fed a lot of misinformation against different kinds of communities and marginalized communities, and just, we're human, and it comes from a source of love when I tell you this, that we need to love each other more, respect each other, and share our stories, and be there and learn from one another. That's one of the things I do in my lecture program, share our stories, talk about who we are, learn from one another, and be better stewards of our communities, our families, our children, and our world. So with that said, God rest their souls, and I'm very sorry to hear that today. So kind of switching gears a little bit, moving forward to this week. It's going to be a little bit of a busy week. I got to get my hairs done on Wednesday. My hair's did. And I have a holiday party to go to on Thursday, just local at Sidetrack, and it's also a little fundraiser. So, look that up. If you're going to Sidetrack, check out what you need to bring. It's like paper, personal care products, things like that. So for grocery land. And on, this always happens. I get this constant drip all the time during the winter months at times, and so I know it's very attractive talk, isn't it? I'm getting ready to go to Las Vegas on Sunday to go to the Sphere to see the Wizard of Oz. That's my Christmas gift to myself. Very excited about that. I leave Sunday, come back Tuesday. Very, very quick trip. Stay in a very nice hotel. Will treat myself a little bit, but yeah, so nothing too crazy, but so excited about it. So excited about it. So, and I know people that have been there that really love it. You know what I was thinking this morning, actually, this past weekend, and I usually hear it by now, but it's the Barking Dogs Christmas song. Is it Jingle Bells? You know what I'm talking about? And also Santa Got Run Over by a Reindeer. Haven't heard them, and now that I brought it up, I always say if you put that out there in the universe, it's going to happen. I haven't heard those two songs being played anywhere. Of course, I'm not listening to a lot of radio or streaming with Santa Got Run Over by a Reindeer. Oh, you gotta love the Christmas time, right? So that's what's going on. I'm gonna let you go. I'm already into 4 minutes. I see up here. I try to keep the numbers down. Please subscribe, like, and share, especially on all of my little venues I'm at, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all those things. I would appreciate it. I love it. Keeps me going and coming up with new content and things like that. So I will see you on Thursday. I'll give you a little recap of what's going on. And then next week, the posting is going to be a little bit different. Monday, probably not going to post out of Las Vegas, but I am going to take video from the Wizard of Oz and my trip. So you'll see maybe a little clips of that. And then, of course, Thursday of next week, can you believe it? Get your Christmas shopping done, kids. A week from this Thursday is Christmas, and I definitely won't be posting on that Thursday. So just bear with me. Glad you're along. glad you're along for the ride, and I will talk to you later. Have a wonderful day. Be kind. Be wonderful. Take care. Bye.